I'm Julianne of Leafling Learns, and next weekend is Minimmersion weekend! If you have no idea what I'm talking about, Minimmersion weekend, mini immersion, is a language learning event for all languages that I host on the internet every 2 months. It's a time where you intentionally put your textbooks away, carve out some time for yourself, and create an at-home language immersion retreat for the weekend. And it's finally almost time for the next official mini immersion weekend. Drum roll, please. July 10th and 11th, next weekend. Please note that I have not called this a language challenge, okay? I'm not trying to challenge you, I'm just trying to hang out. There are no rules for how to succeed, except seriously, put the textbooks away. It's just for a weekend, they'll be there when you come back. There's no winning. You don't have to participate every second of the weekend. This event is meant to allow you the time and space to create something really fun for yourself in your language learning. You get to curate the content that you immerse in. You get to decide how much or how little time you spend immersing. And along the way, you're going to discover a lot of really cool resources that you then get to use in the future throughout the rest of your language learning. Maybe you're someone who already knows all the benefits of immersion learning, but maybe you don't have a ton of time in your daily life to spend on it. If so, this is an amazing chance to claim a weekend for yourself and explore what you want to explore in your target language. Maybe you don't know much about immersion learning, but it sounds intriguing. Maybe you're a little nervous to take off the training wheels, so to speak, and dive right into some native content. This is a chance to approach it in a really fun, low-stakes way with a supportive community behind you cheering you on. And maybe you're someone who has already incorporated immersion learning into your life, but you like the sound of challenging yourself to a weekend of only immersing in your target language. Aim for that then. This event is whatever you want it to be, and it's fully flexible to any individual circumstances or preferences. This is a self-directed event, and we encourage you to make it fun for yourself. Get some of your favorite snacks ahead of time so you don't have to spend time thinking about food. Make a buffet of target language content as well that you can try out throughout the weekend. Maybe you really like playing video games and you've always wanted to try one in your target language. Now is your chance to give it a shot. Really gift yourself some me time that you might not have otherwise. Or alternatively, if you hate me time, get friends or family involved if they're also language learners. If you want to be involved in all things mini immersion, Instagram really is the main hub of activity, though I'd love to see people vlogging or reflecting on how they spent their weekend on YouTube, and if you do, let me know so I can watch it. I'll link my last vlog of how I spent my mini immersion weekend on the screen and in the description if you want to check that out. Anyway, if you head over to Instagram and if you search the hashtag Minimmersion, you'll find all of the relevant posts there, and you will also find posts from participants showing what they're up to in their target languages. If you go to my Instagram page, there you will find the bingo board of immersion activities to help inspire your weekend, not required but kind of fun, as well as other prompts and story templates for you to share your experience and connect with others during the weekend. Be sure to check it all out. There's a lot there that I am not even touching on because I don't want this video to be super long like all of my other videos. I'm super excited that it's finally time for this event again. Please let me know in the comments if you are going to be participating and joining us this mini immersion weekend. Check out my mini immersion survival guide video if you're interested in participating but want some more information. In it, I share all of my tips for first-time mini immersers. You may also be interested in my blog of how a recent mini immersion went for me, the ups, the downs, and some media recommendations if you're learning Japanese. I can't wait for this next mini immersion weekend, and I hope that you join us.